Have you been waiting for the market to crash before buying or selling your home in Chicago? Here's the truth. The crash isn't coming, but something even better is happening. Home prices in Chicago are stabilizing, and that's creating a rare opportunity for both buyers and sellers to make confident and smart moves. In today's video, I'm going to break down what the price stabilization really means, why does it matter more than ever in 2025, and how to take advantage of it. Whether you're buying your first home, selling your current one, or investing in Chicago real estate. Hi, I'm Hugo. I'm with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your trusted real estate advisor here in Lakeview, Chicago, and the Chicagoland and suburbs. I help clients navigate real estate decisions with data-driven insight and personalized guidance. And whether you're buying, selling, or investing, I'm here to guide you all the way through. So start your home search and visit our website at homesofchicagobyhugo.com. Now, let's talk about numbers. Chicago's pricing really in 2025. Right now, Chicago's median home prices are up about 5% to 7% year over year, depending on the neighborhood, of course. That's lower than the double-digit jumps we saw post-pandemic, but that's actually a very good thing. One, pricing is more stable than it's been in years. Two, fewer bidding wars means more leverage for buyers. And for sellers, this means predictable comps, smarter pricing strategies. This kind of stability is rare, and it creates a window of opportunity before the next rate drops or inventory might spike and shake things up again. But for buyers, why now is a strategic time to buy? Let me tell you why. If you're a buyer, prices are dropping. They're not dropping, excuse me. They're leveling off, which means less risk and more predictable equity growth. You can negotiate credits, repairs, or even a rate buy down in many deals. You have time to think instead of racing outbid 10 other buyers. In neighborhoods like Avondale, Portage Park, Edgewater, I'm seeing great homes sit a little bit longer, which means more room to negotiate and less pressure to overpay. Now, for my sellers, don't panic, be prepared. If you're a seller, buyers are still active, especially with tight inventory. Stable pricing means your home won't lose value overnight. With the right prep, staging, and marketing, you can still sell quickly and for top dollar. I help my sellers position their homes with professional photos, video tours, digital ads, and hyper-local strategy to stand out, even when the market cools off a little bit. But here's the bottom line. A stable real estate market is a healthy one, and this is your chance to take advantage of it before the competition hits up. So whether you're looking to buy your first condo, sell your single-family home, or explore real estate investing in Chicago, you don't have to figure this out alone. Give me a call, send me a text at 773-550-4846, or visit my website, homesofchicagobyhugo.com. Start your real estate journey today the smart way. Okay, if this video was very helpful, please feel free to comment, share it, like it. You never know, your friends and family might need this video. Thank you so much.